This girl right here doesn't even exist, but she made over $4,000 last week while I was sleeping. Look at her, ultra-realistic face. Posts exclusive content that people actually pay for. Gets brand deals and sponsorships. Creates viral reels and TikToks by copying the exact moves of real influencers. And here's the crazy part. Her face never changes, no matter what she's doing. This might sound crazy, but it's 100% true. AI influencers are already taking over Instagram and making serious money. But most people creating them have no idea how to actually monetize them. They're missing one sneaky little trick that changes everything, and I'm going to show you exactly what that is at the end of this video. The only challenge here is knowing how to prompt your model perfectly, which is why I've already created a special ChatGPT prompt that you can use for free. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's get started. Now, the most important part of this entire process is your prompt. If that's weak, your influencer will look fake, and nobody's paying for that.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
The prompt literally defines how real your model will look. That is why I have built a pro-level prompt. The results you'll get from this will shock you. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. I'm making this available in my Discord server for free. Once you paste it into ChatGPT, it instantly generates 5 realistic model ideas. Each one has a unique body type, personality, name, and even a country. You're getting a complete character by using this. But in order to create such an influencer, you normally need several different AI tools. First, for generating a base image of the model. Another for generating exclusive content. A third for Instagram Reels or video. But what if I told you there's an easier way to do this? Meet apob AI. It's designed specifically for creating realistic AI influencer models. And when I say realistic, I mean people will not believe it's AI. So once you've signed up using my link in the description, your dashboard will look something like this. And really quick, if you're still watching, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, as I share new AI tools, trending side hustles, and faceless niches every single week. Alright, let us not waste any more time and start creating our model. Simply click on Create Portrait Model. You've got 2 options here. The first option is used to upload an existing model if you already have one, or generate one from scratch by filling in the details. So I'll go with this option. Simply paste in all the customizations like age, build, country, hair, and everything that was generated by ChatGPT. It makes the process super easy, where you just copy, paste, and watch the magic happen. Now click Generate. It will start creating your influencer based on your customization. It usually takes about 2 minutes. And look at this, she's here. And honestly, this is exactly what we need. Now I'll click to finalize the model. Enter her name and description. Again, I'm just copying and pasting from ChatGPT. Hit Create Your Model, and it's done. Now this is the dashboard where everything happens. Whether it's generating exclusive content, creating Instagram Reels, or generating brand promotion videos. And in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you the monetization trick that most people completely miss, so don't go anywhere. Now that our influencer is ready, it's time to create the type of content that actually makes money. Inside the image section, select the Build Your Own feature. You can either enter a short prompt or pick from pre-designed modifiers. Let me give you an example. For the art style, I'll go with realistic. In the clothing style, I'll pick overcoat. Under architecture, let's choose city. I'll skip the landscape style. Finally, let's keep the weather sunny. After that, I'll keep the image quantity as 2. Set the ratio to 9:16 and the quality to maximum. Then simply hit the Create button. This takes about 30 seconds. And boom, there it is. As you can see, the influencer looks extremely realistic and consistent across both images. Now, if you want to create exclusive content, you'll have to enter a custom prompt instead of using modifiers. Simply paste a prompt that includes a more exclusive thing. And within seconds, apob does the job. Obviously, as the images are so realistic, I will have to blur them. And seriously, no one will realize it's AI. But we're not done yet. Now let us move on to the most exciting part, which is generating Reels. Trust me, you won't believe how crazy this is. Inside the video section, you'll see a bunch of features, but the one we want is called Re-Video. This feature lets your AI influencer copy the exact moves, expressions, and gestures of any real influencer video. Let's see how this works. First, go to Re-Character. Upload a video from your favorite influencer. You can go up to 30 seconds, which is perfect for Reels. Then upload or select your model's image as the reference. I'm choosing Ultra Quality for this demo. Hit Generate. This takes about a minute. And done. Look at this. Here's the original influencer video. Here's the image that we uploaded. And here's the output. Just look at it. The AI has not only changed the face, but it has also recreated the steps, gestures, and expressions from the original video. Isn't that the coolest thing? At this point, you can easily take this video, add some trending music, and upload it on social media. Honestly, this is my favorite feature so far. Now let me show you Restyle. This feature completely changes the style of your video. Simply upload or select one of your model's videos. Choose any of the styles available here. I'll go with the famous Ghibli art style. Hit the Generate button. And take a look at this. The entire video now has that iconic Ghibli aesthetic. Perfect for standing out on social media. Okay, I'll skip the reshot feature because you can try it out yourself. But check out Reproduct. It changes products in your video while keeping all the movements same. Start by uploading a video with a product clearly visible. Then upload your product image in the reference section. You can upload up to 4 product images with multiple angles. Once everything is done, simply click the Generate button. And, as you can see, our video is ready. Look closely, there isn't even a single overlap. This is just amazing. Now, Everything takes it even further. This feature lets you change style, character, background, or anything just by typing what you want. Simply upload or select one of your model's videos. Then enter a prompt, basically the editing instructions. Hit Generate. And boom, the video is ready. It follows your instructions perfectly. This means you can take one video and turn it into 10 different versions. Now I'm going to show you how to create a brand sponsorship video with your AI influencer. As brands only work with influencers who can promote and sell their products, just like a real creator. So let's start with the first step, generating an image with a brand product. You won't believe how simple this is. In the image section, head to the Chat to Edit feature. Start by selecting one of your model images. From here, enter a video prompt and upload a product image as reference. For this demo, I'm going with Ultra S quality. When you're done, click the Generate button. And within seconds, you'll have an image of your AI influencer holding the product. Now let's turn it into a video. Simply click on the Generate Video icon, then type what you want your influencer to say, basically the product description. Select the quality and duration of the video, and simply hit Generate. Once the video's ready, click the lip sync icon. Now you can upload an audio if you already have one generated, but I'll create one. Simply paste in the same description you used for the image to video feature. Choose a voice model that best suits your model. After that, you can even add an emotion, happy, sad, excited, or whatever vibe you want. Then simply click Generate. Once it's completed, select the audio as your reference. And finally, click Generate Video. And there you have it. Your AI model is now promoting a brand. Brands will pay hundreds, even thousands, for videos like this. And now you can create them in minutes.
This perfume by Zara has the perfect fragrance. It goes with all of my outfits. You should definitely give it a try.
Now this is the part where most videos end. They show you how to make an AI influencer. But the real question is, how do you start earning money? Here's the reality. You need to post consistently while using trending music. You can set up a subscription model on Instagram where fans pay for exclusive content. But there's a problem. Instagram has several requirements to unlock that feature. And if you're using AI content, there's always a risk. That's where DFans comes in. A decentralized platform for creators powered by AI. It's 100% AI friendly and will never ban your account. It's simply an AI version of OF. On other platforms, a single ban could result in asset freezing and loss of clients. This won't happen on DFans. Even if you've been banned elsewhere, DFans never bans accounts and welcomes all creators. All you need are your basic details to get started earning money. They also have an AI chatbot system that works for you 24/7. You can focus entirely on creating content and attracting traffic from platforms like Instagram and TikTok, while the AI chatbot can automatically interact and engage with your audience. And here's where it gets insane. Recently, one creator joined in the evening and earned more than $3,000 overnight using the AI chatbot. All you have to do is set it up and upload any paid photos you have, and it will help you earn money from them. And with that, you now know how to create an AI influencer and turn it into a real business. You've got the all-in-one tool, the free prompt, and the entire blueprint that other creators are already using to make money. So don't sleep on this. Click the link below to try apob AI. They also have a limited time offer where annual plans are 50% off. Get the free prompt from my Discord server and start building. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's into AI side hustles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.